New England gardening here. Looks like it just stopped snowing. The sun's starting to come through the clouds. Didn't need any amount of extra warmth we can get today. It's cold. I think it got down to about 2 degrees last night. And it's going to get down to maybe minus 13 today. I don't think I've ever seen minus 13. I've seen probably wind chills of minus 13, but boy, the wind coming through the window here, it stops you breathing. It's that protection mechanism in place to keep the air going down your lungs. That bird feed is going to be popular today. So let me get out there and start shoveling and get the snowblower going. So here are the back steps. Go see how much snow we've got out here. Man, my feet. Let's see what we have. About 10 inches. It's really fine. It's a greenhouse. Back here, the wind always comes through the houses, just scours this clean. And they got a nice drift here. It's funny, it's colder today and that thermometer is still saying 0 degrees. That's not correct. So this is New England gardening. It's been a long day. Thanks for watching.